So you want to install Ubuntu server. Follow these steps to see how. The first step will be to select the installation language. Now let's select Ubuntu server by pressing enter. The next language selection is for the operating system language. Then select your country. You can detect the keyboard layout by pressing yes and going through a wizard that will detect which keys are on your keyboard. If you know your keyboard layout, select no and select your keyboard layout. The next step will be to give your computer a host name. For this example, we will use crypto-server and then click continue. The next step will be to create an administrator user. For this example, we will give the full name of the user, crypto admin. For the username, we will define it as crypto. Password will be crypto. The system will give us a flag saying that the password is weak and ask us if we'd like to continue. The next step will be to encrypt the home directory, which I would recommend. Now it's asking us if the time zone identified is correct. If so, continue. The following step will be to configure the hard drive. Follow the guided wizard for selecting the appropriate hard drive settings to set up your server. The last step will be to confirm that you want to make the changes to the hard drive. Most of these settings will come up automatically identified and you just need to continue. When prompted to enter a proxy server, if you do not have one, leave it blank. The next screen will ask us if we want to install security updates automatically. I would recommend that you select this setting. The next screen will allow us to pre-configure services for our server. For this example, we will select Open SSH Server by pressing spacebar and continuing. Open SSH will allow us to connect to our server remotely through a secure connection. We need to select yes to install the Grub bootloader to complete our installation. Continue to complete the installation and remove the installation media. The server will now reboot into the installation of Ubuntu server. For this example, you can see I'm using a virtual server. Once everything is loaded, it will prompt us to log in. Again, for this example, our login username is crypto with the password of crypto. Now that we have successfully logged into the Ubuntu server, I would recommend installing the updates. The command line is sudo apt-get update. It'll ask you for your password to be a super user. Go and grab all the updates. Once the updates have completed, we will need to install the updates by the following command. Sudo apt-get upgrade will allow us to install all of the downloaded updates. You will have to press Y to acknowledge that you want to install all of the updates. Once the update's complete, you are now ready to use your Ubuntu server. If you like what you've seen, don't forget to like the video, and also there's some crypto addresses below if you're feeling charitable. Thanks for watching, and check out other videos on my YouTube channel.